Hi Photoshoppers and welcome. In this video we're going to be talking about collections again. Now we've talked about basic collections in a previous video. In this video we're going to be talking about target collections. And this will super speed up your workflow. Being able to designate a collection as a target collection, and then we can add images into that collection by just pressing the B key. How simple does it get? Well, I'm going to show you right now. Let's have a look now at target collections. What are they all about? Well, collections are a very powerful feature of Lightroom. They allow us to collect images together virtually for any number of uses. Now this might be for a slideshow or a book or a web gallery, for example. Now there is a feature called Quick Collection, and it's up in the catalogue panel here. And you can see we've got a little plus. That designates that this is a target collection. And what that means is that if we hover over a thumbnail here, you can see there's a little circle. And if I click on that, it will add that image to that quick collection. I can do it from the film strip, little circle as well. Or the third method is I can press the B key. So let's try those. So let's say I want to put this image in that quick collection. I can click on this circle and you can see it updates it to a 1. I can go down, let's try one off the film strip. We'll click on that. That makes it 2. And let's go and click on this one and I'll press the B key. And you can see now that we've got a quick collection that's got those 3 images in it. Now if I need to make another collection, I've now got to clear this one and create a proper collection. So I can do that if I right click, save quick selection. I'll give it a name called demo, say. And there's a little flag here for clearing the quick collection. So once I've clicked save now, so you can see it's cleared that back to 0. But now if you look down in the collections panel, I've got a new collection called demo with my 3 images in. Okay, let's just delete that now. There we go. So now we're back to where we started. Now this feature has now been made much more accessible and useful because we can change where the target collection is. Now let me show you how that works. Now let's imagine I want to make a collection of images of just men. Okay, so I can go down to my collections panel and I can create collection and I'll call it men. But if you look down at the bottom here, you can see we've got a little flag now for set as target collection. So I'm going to put that tick in there. I won't include anything that's selected. And I'll click create. So I've now got a collection called men, and you can see the little plus has transferred to this collection. So now I can use the same keys. So I can now look for some images with men. Well, there's one over here, so I can click on that one and press the B key. I'll scroll down. Oh, there's another one. I'll press the B key, and there's another one. I'll press the B key. So you can see how quick this is to build up. So now I've got 4 images of men in my men collection. Right, now let's create another collection, and let's say this time we want it for women. So I'm going to go to the plus to create a new collection. I'm going to go to create collection. I'm going to call it women. But this time I'm not going to set the flag as target collection, and I'll show you why. I'm going to click create. So now here we've now got a collection ready for me women photos, but it's the men collection that's still the target collection. So how can I change that? Well, I can go to the women collection and click on it. I can right click on it, and here I can set as target collection. and you can see it's swapped over. So now if I go back to my images and start looking for women, so I've got one here, press the B key. I've got another one here, press the B key, another one here, press the B key, and another one here, press the B key. So now I've got 4 images in my men collection and 4 images in my women collection. Well, that's it for target collections. I hope you like them as much as I do. It saves me a load of time, it really does. Well, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up or leave a comment underneath the video. And please click that subscribe button for me and help me to grow my Photoshop learning community. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.